What's up, good people? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Claudia Futuzuani here, and for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support me. So guys, I'm in the village, and I forgot to start the video from my village. I decided to start where I am and keep you updated, but in the next video I will start from the village. I will show you how my village looks like. Now today it was my my duty or my turn to get our goats from the bush, and then I decided why not I should go and show you how we do it in Africa. So stay tuned, make sure you watch the video, guys. I road to 5,000 subscribers. If you have not subscribed, can you subscribe? Yeah, so guys, if you have any question about my African village life, let me know, guys. And I'm happy, guys. I'm happy. This is how we do it. African ways, guys. Let me take you around. Let me show you around how we do we normally do things, because guys, these are firewood. This is what we normally use to cook as a source of fire. Is it? Yeah, in Africa village life, guys. So once I'm done with our kettles, our goats, I'll just come pick. Can you show them? I'll just come and pick this one. So I'll go and make supper. Yes, let's go. Where are they? Okay. This is a rope. So I have to carry it. This is what we normally use to tie our goats. Let's say you are going somewhere and you don't want to look after them, so you just use this one. Our land is so beautiful, our land is so green, and we are proud of it. Hey, look this. What? So guys, let's keep on walking. guys, we have to untie them to get that freedom. It's already time to get them home. So guys, this is how we normally do it. Stay tuned. Don't go ahead here. Unanionyeshana ama unanyesha?
No, vizuri. Kanishika vizuri. Moja basketball. Chiki. Chiki. Matoto. No passing. No passing. No passing. Name.
Hiyo kamba bebea shush. Hiyo kamba nimekupatia iko wapi? Bebea shush. Yeah. These are male goats, eh? These are male goats. Lucy, are you done? So guys, we are done. So let's get back home. Yeah. And if you like the video, kindly subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, give it a like.